So dear students, from exercise 5.7, today we will do some questions. Like question number 14 is, if y is equal to a e to the power mx plus b e power nx, it is nx, so that d2y by dx square minus m plus n dy by dx plus m and y is equal to 0. Let's check once again this question. So we solve this. Given y is equal to a e power mx plus b e power nx. Actually we have to prove this, and like previous questions we will do second order derivative, and we need to prove here y, we have the y, we need dy by dx and also d2y by dx square. So first we differentiate this, differentiating with respect to x, that means dy by dx equal to ddx of a e power mx plus also ddx of p e power nx. So now dy by dx is equal to a is constant and e to the power x derivative, we know that e power x. So suppose if it behave as x, so e to the power mx derivative e power mx, and again function of function, again derivative of mx, because it behave as x, ddx of mx. Like the same, b is the constant term, e to the power nx derivative e to the power nx, and again this ddx of nx. So it is a e power mx into m, x differential, m is constant, x derivative 1, plus here b e to the power nx, again ddx of nx, n is constant, x derivative 1. So what we have, a e power mx into m plus b e power nx into n. It is dy by dx. So suppose it is question number 1, this number 2, and we try to get number third equation because second order derivative. Now again differentiate with respect to x. So again we differentiate d2y by dx square equal to again this ddx of a e power mx into m plus ddx of b e power nx into n. So here a and m is constant, and e to the power mx differential e to the power mx, again ddx of mx. ये तो क्लियर होगा शायद. e को पावर x, सपोज mx बिहेव कर रहा है x जैसा, तो e टू द पावर x जिसको x सपोज किया उसका डेरिवेटिव, जस्ट लाइक दिस b एंड n इज कांस्टेंट, e पावर nx and again ddx of nx. So here a m e to the power mx ddx mx, m x derivative 1, this 1, plus b and e power nx, again n constant, x derivative 1. Now d2y by dx square is getting m1 m into m square, a e to the power mx plus here n1 n into n square b e to the power nx. So it is question number 3, and we have to prove what we have to prove, because d2y by dx square minus m plus n dy by dx plus mny. Also we can write this left hand side. It is left hand side. Also we may use like that. LHS is this, and we should prove 0. So d2y by dx square, just we have m square a e power mx plus n square b e to the power nx minus m plus n, and dy by dx in the equation number 2 here. a e power mx into m plus b e to the power nx into n. M plus n be finished, dy by dx plus mn into y. What is y? It is equation number 1. Y is a e power mx plus b e power nx. After solving this, we should find this 0. So it will be proved. So here, as it is, m square a e to the power mx plus n square b e to the power nx. Now this multiplied minus m into this, the minus m into this a e to the power mx into m again minus n, minus plus multiplied minus n, again this multiplied here also, n b e to the power nx into n plus this mn into a m n a e power mx plus mn b e to the power nx. So we can see here this m square a e to the power mx plus n square b e to the power nx minus this m into m square a e to the power mx minus this n into n square b e to the power nx, and these are as it is plus mn a e to the power mx plus mn e to the power nx. So same terms and sign must be different. So m square a e power mx plus and minus cancel, n square b n power x positive, this negative, and one thing is just see this calculation. Now see here some mistakes here. We have not multiplied here m square, this is right, what is missing here? M square a e power mx plus n square b in power x minus m into a e power mx into m, again this here minus also here. So m b e power nx into n, again this minus n to here multiply, so minus n a e power mx into m, again minus this n b e to the power nx into n. Let's see here, इस m का मल्टीप्लाई दोनों में करना पड़ेगा, माइनस m एंड माइनस प्लस मल्टी माइनस n, माइनस m का मल्टीप्लाई दोनों में करेंगे, फिर माइनस n का मल्टीप्लाई इन दोनों में करेंगे, एंड लास्ट वन दिस mn a e power mx plus mn b e power nx. So now this m स्क्वायर a e पावर mx प्लस n स्क्वायर b e पावर nx minus m into m, again m square this a e to the power mx minus m into n mn b e to the power mx minus m into n mn a e to the power mx minus this n into n square b e to the power nx plus mn a e power mx plus mn b to the power nx, which are the cancel out here. This m square a positive and it is negative, n square b n power x, this also cancel, mn a e power mx, this positive, this negative, mn b power mx, mn b power nx, it negative, it is positive, all cancel and getting this is equal to 0. Therefore d2y by dx square minus m plus n dy by dx plus m and y is equal to 0. So our this solution proved. तो इसमें क्या देखना है, dy by dx निकालना है, फर्स्ट ऑर्डर डेरिवेटिव एंड सेकेंड ऑर्डर डेरिवेटिव, देन वी पुट द ऑल वैल्यूज हियर इन द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड and we can get that right hand side. Now question number 15 is, if y is equal to 500 e to the power 7x plus 600 e to the power minus 7x, so that d2y by dx square is equal to 49y. We have to prove this. So again we find here dy by dx and also d2y by dx square. So our solution, given y is equal to 500 e power 7x plus 600 e power minus 7x. The first we differentiate both sides with respect to x. So now dy by dx is equal to dx of y. Y is 500 e power 7x plus also dx of 600 e power minus 7x. In easy way you can do this. 500 is constant, e to the power x, derivative e to the power x, that means 7x. So because it is not the x, so again इसका डेरिवेटिव निकालेंगे 7x. Just like same, 600 is constant, e to the power minus 6, 7x डेरिवेटिव 7x, और इसको x अपोज किया तो इस फंक्शन का फिर करेंगे डेरिवेटिव माइनस 7x. सो इट इज 500 इंटू e टू द पावर 7x ddx ऑफ 7x. 7 कांस्टेंट है और ये हो जाएगा x का डेरिवेटिव क्या हो जाएगा 1 प्लस 600 e टू द पावर माइनस 7x, और इस माइनस 7x, 7 इज कांस्टेंट, x का डेरिवेटिव 1. So what we have, dy by dx is equal to 500 into the power 7x into 7 plus into minus, it becomes minus here, 600 e to power minus 7x into here 7. Now we find d2y by dx square. Again differentiating we can with respect to x. So what we write, d2y by dx square is equal to ddx of 500 e power 7x into 7 minus ddx of 600 e power minus 7x into 7. So 500 and into 7 is constant. E to the power 7x derivative e to the power 7x into again e to the power x. X is actually 7x. So again by chain rule this 7x minus 600 into 7 constant e to the power minus 7x into ddx of minus 7x. It is 500 into 7 into e to the power 7x. ddx of 7x is 7 because 7 is constant. Derivative of x is 1. 7 on the 7. I am writing directly. Again 600 into 7 e to the power minus 7x, and derivative of minus 7x is minus 7 because x minus 7 constant, x derivative 1. 7 on the 7. So it is the t2. Okay, so what is here common here? We can check here. We need actually see here d2y by dx square as it is here 49. We need 49. That means this 7 7s are 49, this 7 7s are 49. So we can take common as 49. So what we have 500 e to the power 7x because 7 into 7 49 taken as common, and this minus into minus plus this 7 7 is taken out this as common plus 600 e to the power minus 7x. Therefore d2y by dx square equal to 49, and you can see this value goes to y. This value is the y because y is equal to this 500 e power 7x 600. तो इसके प्लेस में हम लोग क्या पुट कर सकते हैं y. So d2y by dx square is equal to 49y, hence proved. So it was the solution of question number 15. Number 16 is if e to the power y into x plus 1 is equal to 1, so that this d2y by dx square is equal to dy by dx whole square. So here given e to the power y x plus 1 is equal to 1. So first we find dy by dx. So differentiating with respect to x, dd is equal to 1. So ddx of e to the power y into x plus 1 equal to ddx of 1. So here it is first function, it is second. Product rule here we will apply the product rule. The first function into derivative of second plus second function into derivative of like this, and one constant term is 0. x plus 1 derivative, x का derivative 1 and 1 derivative 0 plus x plus 1 here e to the power y, that means e to the power x derivative e to the power x, that means y, and again ddx of y dy by dx is equal to 0. So here 1 plus x plus 1 e to the power y into dy by dx is equal to 0. So what we need here d2y by dx square. Again we differentiate that. So it becomes we can write here x plus 1 into e to the power y x plus 1 e to the power is equal to 1. That means we can put here x plus 1. Let's see this. So let's see here what is missing here, ddx, this e to the power y. this e to the power y, and here also e to the power y into e to the power y into 1, this plus x plus 1, and this x plus 1 e to the power y, x plus 1 e to the power y, we can write 1, because e to the power y x plus 1 is equal to 1 into dy by dx is equal to 0. Then dy by dx is getting, it is plus going this side, minus e to the power y in this equation number 1. So we got dy by dx is equal to minus e to the power y. Now we write, differentiating once again with respect to x, so it becomes d2y by dx square is equal to again ddx of minus e to the power y. So here d2y by dx square equal to e to the, it is minus is taken out here, e to the power y is e to the power y into again ddx of y, e to the power x, derivative for x, it behave as x, and again ddx of this y. Now d2y by dx square is equal to, what is minus e to the power y? You can see here minus e to the power y is written as dy by dx. Here dy by dx, from where we get, from equation number 1, minus e to the power y is dy by this dx, and into this also dy by dx. तो ये हो जाएगा d2y by dx स्क्वायर इक्वल dy by dx कमिंग 2 times इसका होल स्क्वायर, then hence proved. So it was the solution of question number 16. Now question number 17 is, if y is equal to tan inverse x square, so that x square plus 1 square y2 plus 2x x square plus 1 y1 is equal to 2. First you see here what is meaning y2. y2 in the starting we have done this thing, d2y by dx square is, we can write also y2, and dy by dx is y1, same thing this. So here given y is equal to tan inverse x square, and differentiating both sides with respect to x, that means dy by dx equal to ddx of tan inverse x square. So here dy by dx is equal to tan inverse x square. Suppose it is x square, so derivative 2x, that means 2 into tan inverse x, and again ddx of tan inverse x by chain rule. So dy by dx is equal to 2 into tan inverse x into tan inverse x, derivative 1 upon 1 plus x square, it is the dy by dx, and we can also write this y1. This we can write like y1. So we can write here y1. y1 is equal to 2 tan inverse x by 1 plus x square. So by cross multiplying, y1 into 1 plus x square equal to 2 tan inverse x, equation number 1. Now again differentiating with respect to x. So again we differentiate this, फिर इसको डिफरेंशिएट करेंगे तो क्या मिलेगा, ddx ऑफ y1 1 प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर और इधर मिलेगा डी डी एक्स ऑफ 2 tan inverse x. So डी डी एक्स ऑफ y1, suppose it is first function, it is the second function. So we can use here product rule. First function into derivative of second function plus second function into derivative of this first function y1 equal to this 2 is constant tan inverse x, differential is 1 upon 1 plus x square. So here it is y1 ddx of 1 plus x square, we get 1 differential 0 x square derivative 2x plus here 1 plus x square, and ddx of y1 is first derivative, again derivative, it becomes y2 is equal to 2 upon 1 plus x square, and it was y1, sorry. So y1 into 0 plus 2x plus 1 plus x square, y2 is equal to 2 by 1 plus x square. By cross multiplying, what we get here, if by 1 plus x square, this 1 plus x square into y1 into 2x plus again 1 plus x square into 1 plus x square, 1 plus x square whole square into y2 is equal to 1 to the 2. So what is to prove? We have to prove this. We can write this 1 plus x square, otherwise x square plus 1 whole square, this y2, sorry, it is 2y2, and plus this 2x in the bracket, it is written as x square plus 1, this y1 is equal to 2. So it is our required solution, so it is proved. So it was the solution of last question 17. So we have completed today 14, 15, 16 and 17. And students, if you have to doubt, if you have any doubt in any question, you write in comment box, then I will solve and upload these solutions. Thank you.